Okay, let's proceed. And grade 6, under this, like we have already finished this part and just summarizing the lesson and what we have done under the internet. And then we'll go to the workbook. So let's discuss them. And okay, here's it. We have learned about internet, and under that lesson, what we have learned is we learned how to access the internet and what is internet and what are the services of the internet. Right? How to access internet, what is internet, and what are the services of the internet. We have learned that part. And then in the next part, actually, we have learned what kind of services like web we can access through the web browser, like Chrome, Internet Explorer, Edge. Right, Internet Explorer is not there, right? But your book is not updated, so this is now it's not used. Edge has replaced that, and Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, Safari. So different things are there. Here, this is Safari, which is come in Mac OS. Likewise, different web browsers can be used to access. Like same web page can be accessed using different web browsers. Let me give an example. Google.com. This is accessing Google.com using Safari. Okay, you can see the same website is loaded now in Safari, and you can access this in Google Chrome also. Let's go to Google Chrome and access google.com. Google.com can be accessed in Google Chrome as well. You can see it there. Google Chrome can access Google Docs, google.com, and google.com in Safari. Here, this is the address bar in Safari, and in Chrome, you can see this is the address bar. And in Firefox also you can access. Tor also you can access. Different browsers can be used to access the internet. We have learned about that. Different browsers can be used to access the internet, and we have learned about that. And then, right, then we learn about the different other websites where you can see the resources, how to type a URL, and what is URL? URL is a uniform resource locator. This address is called URL. Okay, so let's write down that because that is also important. We didn't write that last day. Let's write the URL because you need to know what is URL. So this is also a URL. And what it says, what a URL says. Let's write down about that first. So please go to your note and let's write okay, let's start there. URL. This is called Uniform Resource Locator. So what is this Uniform Resource Locator? URL. Example for URL is this. Example for URL is this. Okay, this URL has different parts. Here, this is called protocol. This is called the protocol. This HTTP1 is called the protocol. HTTPS is the protocol here. And this google.com, this is called the domain. And google.com, that is called the domain. And under the domain, there is a subdomain. So what is this subdomain? Subdomain is this docs. Google.com is the domain, main domain, and this is called subdomain. And .com is basically the top level domain. It is called top level domain. Top level domain. And then you have the document path or the file path. File folder path is there after that. This is a URL. So sometimes URL comes with URL will not display everything. Sometimes URL will display something like this: http://www.google.com. That is only the domain. Here in this URL, this is another URL, but you can see the domain part, the top level domain part, and no subdomain is there, and the protocol is also there. Okay, this is what the URL is. This is what the URL is. Okay, this is what the URL. Please write down this. This is example for URL. This. Please write down this. Just wait, I will upload that again, because I have taken a photo of that. I will upload that again. See, and this is the screenshot. Okay, please write down. This is the URL, uniform resource locator, and it has these components. You can see.
Okay, sir.
Please write down that. Confirm after you finish. If you have finished writing down, please confirm.
So finish.
Sir, wait a minute.
Okay, let's move to the next part. And when you want to access some resource, you have to type the URL in the address bar. When we need to access a web resource, we have to type URL in the address bar. Or we have to search the resource in a search engine. When we search, it will display the link. When we click on the link, it will automatically type the URL in the browser's address bar. When we click on this, and it will automatically type the URL in the browser's address bar. It's like this. Okay, either you have to type www.nie.lk. Okay, you can see when I type it there, it will display the website. Okay, www.gov.lk. When we type the URL, it will load the web page. So that is normally the easiest way. Or we have to go to a search engine like Google and then search for gov.lk or government website. Like it will show the link. Okay, when you go to the link, you can see here in the status bar. Can you see? It shows status bar. Here you can see here. It shows gov.lk. Here www.gov.lk. Likewise, it will show the URL there. Then you have to click on that, and that will automatically come to the address bar. When you copy that, let's copy and see, and you can see in the, let's paste this here, and you can see that is also a URL. That URL has only the protocol. Protocol means the rule set of rules. Here the protocol is HTTPS. Here the protocol is HTTP. Here the protocol is HTTPS. www.gov.gov is the domain and LK is the top level domain. So together gov.lk is the website. Okay, this is another example. So likewise, okay, likewise we have URLs. Okay, please write down this note. Right, now let me explain this from the beginning because I have not recorded previously. Like in URL, there is a special thing called domain. And what is domain? Domain is basically given to any organization to represent their company, organization, institution in the internet. It's like this. Okay, like in Sri Lanka, we have National Institute of Education. That is the education entity which provide regulations and also guide in education. And their internet name is NIE.lk. And Facebook Corporation is a physical business nowadays, but their internet representation is facebook.com. And Google is kind of organization, company, and their name is also google.com. And Sri Lankan government is the big name or government organization, and their virtual name is gov.lk. So likewise, different organizations, right? Different organizations, different companies, and different institutions in the internet represent they have their name in the internet that is called domain. Okay, another example is this. Let's think about this. Okay, domains.lk is domain registration organization for Sri Lanka. I said that it is already, actually it's managed. Everything is managed by ICANN, Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers. That is the big organization giving these names because this name should be unique. You cannot go and take facebook.com because it is already taken. So let's try to get facebook.lk. Let's see what will happen. So this is interesting because you don't have something called facebook.lk. Let's search for that in Sri Lankan domain registry because a facebook.com is already released by, right? You can see it is restricted. It is restricted. Why? Because facebook.com is a big company and they have restricted this. ICANN, not actually domains.lk. ICANN has restricted giving similar names. The reason is if somebody is using similar name, it can be to misguide. Okay, maybe some are trying to do something like this face B00, okay, because people are tricky. They might try to get something like this. This also looks like Facebook. This also looks like Facebook, and that is available. You can see that is available here, facebook.lk. That is available, but this is not Facebook. You know, that is not Facebook. You can see it's here. This it looks like Facebook, but because of this zero, it's not exactly Facebook. Okay, so but you can get similar one, but it looks like, but it's not. People are tricky. People are trying to get something like this maybe. Okay, but this zero is it's identifiable, right? It's identifiable. Maybe you can see 00 here. Facebook, you do something like change in simple one letter, maybe face, something like this. Oh, it also looks similar. What to do? Maybe you can good fake book, but it is not Facebook. Okay, likewise, like you can try different domains, right? You can try different domains. I know the fakebook.lk is available. It's not Facebook, it's a fake book. Okay, likewise, you can try to get, this is Sri Lankan in agent. I said no need to buy from the factory. Factory is ICANN, but you can get from outlet, you can get from a supermarket. So Sri Lankan agent for which is responsible for this original factory or the domain factory, which is ICANN, is Moroto University. They maintain this LK domain registry. Okay, LK domain registry is called domains.lk. Okay, and there are top level domains. Top level domains is higher level, higher ranking domains, which are actually these domains are attached to any domain that we purchase. Okay, let's say I want to get a domain dasun.lk, but sometimes it might not available because it's a very common name. I think somebody has obtained that already. Yeah, it's already there. Dasun Disanayak has taken that, and it's expiring on 2033. For a long time, he has purchased this. There's a problem, so I cannot purchase that. And maybe okay, there are some other domain resellers. One is GoDaddy.com. GoDaddy.com, and please make today we are going to do one more thing. Because before, like I was to discuss that I was to discuss actually the workbook, but I decided to do something else because we have not done this part also. Today let's try to assign a domain to your website also. I hope you have created a website there, right? Here in this is not a website, actually you have created the one in the blogger.com, right? I hope you have you can remember this blogger.com address. Please share your blogger.com website address quickly. I hope you all have done the blogger.com one. Please share it very quickly. Okay, let's go there. And I'm trying to get this time godaddy.com. This is GoDaddy. Okay, I want to search something similar to my name because they have more options. But LK is belongs to this Moroto University, this domains.lk. But okay, dasun.com, you can see it's available, but it's 50,000 because somebody else purchased and trying to resell. These famous domains, people will purchase. This is called cyber squatting. Cyber squatting. Famous domains, they will purchase. I'm a very famous guy, right? You can see now. No, not like that. The short and most of the domains people have purchased and they are reselling it for higher prices. Dasun.com is available, but the offer is $50,000. I don't have now. Sorry. And Dasun.in is there. Dasun.online is there. Dasun.wtf is there. Dasun.one, Dasun.lab, Dasun.feed, Dasun.org is also there. Oh, Dasun.live, Dasun.info is also there. The Dasun.com is there. Dasun.live is there. There is also a $1, right? Dasun.live is $1, but the first year only, maybe the second year I have to pay $50. Dasun.com is available. That's not Dasun. And Dasun.app is also available, $9. Dasun.world, you can see a lot of things at the Dasun.site, Dasun.vip, Dasun.space, Dasun.asia, Dasun.fun, Dasun.work, Dasun.biz. Okay, these work, fun, Asia, space, LTD, VIP, com, site, digital, com, world, app, com, core, life, store, info. These are top level domains, higher level domain. It is attached to your domain. Those are called high level. IN is India, but the thing is they have decided to sell their domain. So because by selling their domain, they can earn money. Okay, so domain selling is also there. You can, maybe LK can be sold, but no one will purchase LK because LK has no meaning. But in has a meaning, right? Inside. Okay, in has a meaning. Okay, some countries, US selling their domain, US, but US they are also selling their domain. Okay. Right. So I hope you have written down this. Now let's, can you send your blogger address? I couldn't find it in the chat. Please send it to the chat. Please go to blogger.com, all of you, and log in using your Gmail. Please go to blogger.com, log in using your Gmail. Okay, one of you guys can share, please. Who's going to share this? Anyone can share. Please, please, please do share. Don't take much time. Okay, Aziru, thank you. Please go to blogger.com. Yeah, create your blog. Okay, create your blog. You have to sign in first. Sign in. Yeah, you have to use your email. Type your password.
I will go from my mother's one because I can't log from my one because they don't access children.
What? Can you repeat?
I think I will need to log from my mother's one because they are not accessing for children.
Login is not a problem. It's not a big problem. You can type your name there. Oh, okay. Maybe you need to be 13 plus. That can be there. Yeah, you can use your mother's one. You need to maybe 13 plus. That's the only consider. Okay, just type your title for your blog. You can type your name.
Next I want to put next now.
Next, yeah. You can put your name again, full name, or let's try the part of your name and see. It's not available. You can put more. Add your second name, first name, both, but without any spaces. Without any spaces. Okay, now next. Ransara, right? Ransara කියලා කියන්නේ. මතක තියාගන්න ඒක Ransara කියලා වැදුනේ නෑ. Or you can go previous and change it. Ransara කියලා කියනවා. Okay, display name, you can type your that you can type your first name. Finish. Okay, your blog is created. Is this fair mode long? No, what's this? Oh, what's that? Go. Yeah, please refresh this. Refresh the page. Maybe again the age problem. Okay. Yes, you have. Can you use can you sign out and try to create using your mother's or father's email, please? This can happen when you're like less than 30.
So after it, we are showing an interface like just nothing but something like the same application and no post or something. That means we should.
It means it's created. Okay, show me your one. Okay, yes, your one is created. Your website is created, and you can go to new post and post one small thing maybe about yourself. New post.
Sir, I can't create my account.
So you have used your email or your mother's or father's email?
My mother's email.
Then it should be, you should be able to.
No,
Why?
teacher, they tell me to choose a URL for your blog, and I put it when it's not accepted. They tell it's not available in
Yeah, if it is not available, what did you put there?
my name.
First name.
Yes.
Yeah, then add a few more letters, maybe first name and middle name. First name and
Excuse me,
last
sir.
name. Yes.
Sorry. I have asked an Indian question.
Okay, so please share your one. I'll see what has happened. Please share.
I don't know how to download.
How to?
Make
Yes.
that.
No, how to share? Is it? You don't know how
No,
to share? Then?
that logo. I
Yeah,
don't know what to
yeah,
do.
just share. If you don't know, share. Then that's what I'm telling. I'm going to help you. Without sharing, how can I help? Share your screen first. Now go to blogger.com. Okay, blogger.com. Click on the first link. Click on the first link. Click on there. Create your blog. Sign in using your sign in using your father's or mother's email.
Excuse me, sir.
Wait, I'm helping someone else.
Okay.
You gotta wait now. Yeah, you can use your mother's or father's email account. Yes, Shiru, mute your microphone. Okay, please use your mother's or father's email account and log in.
Sir,
පුතේ එහෙම හිස්තැන් තියෙන ඊමේල්ස් එන්නේ නැහැ දරුවෝ. ඊමේල් එකක් එක දිගට නියන්නේ මතක නැද්ද? තාත්තගේ ඊමේල් එක මතක නැද්ද? හිස්තැන් වෙන්නේ නැහැ ඊමේල් වල කොහෙවත්. ඊමේල් එක කාගේ හරි මේල් එකක් නැද්ද? ඔයාලට මතක තියෙන ඩොට් එකක් දෙන්න. Yes. Yes. What's your problem? Please tell me.
sir,
Am I-
I put my second name
Hmm.
also,
Okay,
but it's not
until
available
she
there.
log in. Okay, until she log in, I will let you share. Please show me.
Is it me?
No,
Sir,
who said that? Who put the second name? You have to share. Who said that you have put the second name? Please share that. Hello. Who said that you put your second name? Okay. Those who have problems can share. Those who have problems, can you share? Hello, guys. Do you have problems or no problems?
sir, I'm asking you, is there a difference between a website and a blog?
Yeah, blog is basically, it's also kind of a website, but blog has a special purpose. Blog is to write, blog has a special purpose. Blog is to write, Blog is to write articles. It's like a diary.
Okay.
But that is also a web page.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you have to type your password and log in. That is must. Do not forget your usernames and password. If so, you have to create account again, right? Okay, others please. Okay, I'll take one by one. Chaniru, please share your. Chaniru.
Just to show.
Yes, please.
Wait,
Again.
wait.
Please share again.
I have it.
Okay, you type your name there and type test, something like that. Title like the name. Please type your name in the title. Test කියලා දාන්න මේකට. Just put test. Text
Yes.
යට තියෙන එකට sample එකට. There here I didn't යට කිව්වම උඩයි යටයි අඳුරන්නේ නැද්ද චනිරු? මේ උඩ මේ යට. This is the place to put to the body. Section types test TEST. Test TEST. Okay, save, publish it now. Publish it now. Okay, I think yes, we don't have much time to assign domain because you take a lot of times to create the domain and create this account. Okay, now you can visit your website. How to visit the website? You can go there to your right side, sorry, left side, and in the bottom you can see view blog. View blog. Okay, this is your blog address, right? This is your website address, chanirurajapaksha.blogspot.com. That is your blog address. And when you type articles, it will be listed here. You can give this to your friends also. You just copy this and send it to the chat. Others can also watch that. Also comment.
So copy the web address.
Yeah, copy the URL.
Okay. I'll stop.
Okay, next is Chanudi. Chanudi, have you logged in? Or
Wait a
still
minute.
trying? Still doing. Okay, next is Harindu. Harindu, have you logged in?
Sir, can I share my screen?
Yes, sure. Please. Okay, please go to your Harindu, please go to your. Have you posted? That draft one is not created, Harindu. Draft eකට ගිහිල්ලා go to the draft, complete it. Okay. Title, you type your name and then type test because later you can type anything. For the moment, just type.
So next, what can I do?
Yeah, test some type test there, TEST or some type anything that you like. මොකක් හරි ලියන්න, anything like at least anything. Hello, something, some kind of test. That's fast. Shall I write something, Haridu? Oh, so why are you waiting? Okay, now say publish it. Now publish it. Okay. Your one is what? Harindu. What is that? Harindu? Thami, is it? Yeah, harinduthami.blogspot.com. Okay. That is your blog. Go to the so you have go to the this is not the actual this is not the actually blog. You can go to the blogger post, go back to the blogger post again. There you can see view blog. View blog කියලා එකක් තියෙන යාට මේකට යන්න ඕන left side view blog. Go there. Okay, that is your blog. Okay, this Harind, you can copy and paste it to your friends. Please copy and paste it to your friends. Next is Chanudi. Yes, Chanudi, if you're ready, you can share. Okay, you have to allow, go down and say, go down further. Okay, you can say not now, not now. You can type blog name here, your name maybe. Your name, please. Type it very quickly. Don't take much time. We are waiting for your completion.
What to do next?
Next. If it is already, okay, again type your name. It's not available means type your second part also. Without spaces. Blog addresses. These are URLs, right? URL in URL, no spaces are there. URL spaces. No spaces are there in URLs. Okay, then display name, you can type that. For that, you can type your name, first name. Finish.
So in a blog, what can we post?
You can click on new post. You can post anything, yeah. You can post anything. New post, there you can type, in the title, you can type your name and then type anything. Then publish. Right hand side top. Publish. Confirm. Okay, now left hand side bottom, you can see view blog. Left hand side bottom, you can see view blog. That is your URL. You copy that, copy the address by URL and paste it for us. Yes, that part. Click, copy and paste it for your friends. Okay, now she is also done. You can keep on updating this, right? Remember this, write down in your book.
Just
Sir,
make a
where to
character
paste
as
Sorry, ask one person. Yeah, Chanudi, ask your problem.
Sir, where to paste this?
Paste in the chat. Paste in the chat. You
Okay,
can
sir.
see others have also pasted. Harindu Thami at .blogspot.com. Prarthana, no need to put the full one. Prarthana Tarindi.blogspot.com. Please write down this, right? And then, okay, still Chaniru's one is not there. Chaniru, I asked you to put. Chaniru, okay. Rajapaksha. Now Yasiru's one is not there. Yasiru, please, your one. Chanudi, you need to paste your one also, Chanudi. Komaharini, the hamam. Ola, okay, right? Chani, Harindu, okay. Arthana, okay. Chaniru, okay. Still, I cannot find. Copy and paste it in the chat. Chanudi, Dhanna, Chanudi, chat take ekment. Chat take again, Zoom chat take, Hari. Okay, the next one is who's next one? Yasiru, what's the problem? Yasiru, what is the problem? Tell it very quickly.
Nothing.
Okay, is it okay? Okay, view blog, go to the view blog, Yasiru. Go to the view blog very quickly. Okay, now copy this Yasiru kalupana.blogspot.com. Send it.
I sent it for the chat.
Yes, he sent it.
You send it? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, it's my mistake. Okay, now all of you guys now have their blogs. That's great. Next, okay. So please remember this. Write down somewhere in your book. Next day, what we are going to do is we are going to assign some other name to this, right? How to do that, and I will tell, right? I will show you now. You can also try to do this. It's easy. What you need to do is you have to go to .tk. .tk. Here you can see .tk free new domain.
I surely know that it will include it.
Yeah, .tk free domain. Then you have to put your blog name there. Copy and paste your blog name there. Check. Oh, you have to put. Okay, not this. Sorry. I will search the Dasun NS. Check availability and let's see. It's searching. I think. Oh, something wrong. Let's search. Maybe for some reason this is not. Oh, I have to log in, I guess. I have to log in using my Gmail. I know. Okay, I'll sign in using my email. This is another one, right? Freenom.com. Let's see whether it's work for me or not. Yeah, could not be determined. Okay, that doesn't matter, right? Search this. Sometimes this might work. .tk free domain. Sometimes this might work. Try for this. Because earlier this was working, but for some reason now I think they have stopped their service or something maybe. Let's go to register a new domain. Dasun. No, its search engine is not working. For some reason it's not working. So I will tell you using another one also next day, right? Okay, don't worry. I'll stop from here for today. Then see you all next week. Good night.
Good night. Thank you.
Good night, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right, sir.